Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log in to the BDO Unibank. Now to do that, firstly make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up a web browser. Once the web browser opens up, on the search bar type in BDO Unibank and then hit the search button. After you hit the search button, you will be redirected to another page. Now on this page, simply click on this first link. After you click on the first link, you will be redirected to the home page of the BDO Unibank. Now on this page, on the top right corner, you'll see this login option. Go ahead and put your mouse over it. Now once you do that, you'll see this personal option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the personal option, another menu will open up. Now on this menu, simply click on this BDO online banking option. After you click on that option, you will be redirected to another page. Now on this page, you'll simply have to fill in your user ID here, your password here, and then click on this login button. Once you click on this login button and if your credentials are correct, you will be logged into your account on the BDO Unibank. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.